Are your 2018 Tesla Model 3 USB ports not working? You're not alone. Many owners have experienced issues with power, data transfer, and general USB hub connectivity. This video will guide you through the common causes and how to fix them. Tesla addressed many of these issues through software updates, but hardware problems can still occur. USB port issues in the 2018 Tesla Model 3 often stem from either software glitches or hardware failures. Most problems, about 85%, are software-related, while 15% involve physical hardware. Software issues typically occur when over-the-air updates, such as versions 2019.32 or later, corrupt the USB hub's firmware. This can prevent the ports from providing power or data transfer correctly. Hardware failures include faulty wiring, blown fuses, or corrosion at connectors. These physical issues require inspection and potential replacement of components. Determining whether the issue is software or hardware is crucial for applying the right fix. Tesla's Service Bulletin SB20-01 addressed initial software-related problems through diagnostics and updates. First, try a simple software reset. While parked, hold down both the brake and accelerator pedals for 10 seconds. This can often resolve minor software glitches affecting the USB ports. If that doesn't work, try a full power cycle. Turn off the car completely using the touchscreen controls by navigating to Controls, then Safety, then Power Off. Wait a few minutes before restarting to allow the system to fully reset. To diagnose the USB port issue, access the vehicle's diagnostic menu on the touchscreen. This provides error codes that reveal the problem's nature. First, navigate to the Controls menu on the touchscreen, then select Software from the options. Finally, choose Diagnostics to enter the menu. In the Diagnostics section, check for error codes related to the USB hub. These codes offer valuable clues about whether the issue is software or hardware related. Document any error codes you find for reference when contacting Tesla service or troubleshooting further. Ensure your Tesla is running the latest software. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that include fixes for USB port issues. If the problem persists after updates, schedule a service appointment with Tesla. They can reprogram the hub or replace the USB control module. The USB control module part number 103-XXXX can be replaced if necessary. Many repairs are free under warranty for eligible models. If you're comfortable with DIY repairs, you can replace the USB hub yourself. Aftermarket kits are available from suppliers like Mouser Electronics. However, proceed with caution and disconnect the car's power supply before attempting any hardware repairs. Incorrect installation can cause further damage. Using incompatible USB accessories, especially high-power chargers, can damage the USB hub in your 2018 Tesla Model 3. Let's examine the port internals and learn what accessories to use safely. The USB ports in your Model 3 follow specific power specifications. Stick to accessories that provide 5 volts, up to 2 amps per port, and support USB power delivery for faster, safer charging. Avoid overloading the ports by connecting too many devices at once. This can strain the hub and lead to failures. Here's what USB port damage can look like up close. This disassembled connector shows the kind of wear and corrosion that incompatible accessories can cause. To avoid future issues, follow these best practices. Use Tesla-approved or certified USB accessories, always check power ratings before connecting, and limit to 1 high-power device per port. Looking ahead, the automotive industry is shifting toward wireless connectivity solutions that promise to minimize physical port issues. Tesla's newer vehicle models are incorporating advanced USB-C ports with built-in error correction technologies designed to prevent the hub failures we've seen in 2018 Model 3s. Wireless charging pads are becoming standard in Tesla vehicles, allowing phones to charge without physical connections. This eliminates cable-related wear and potential port damage entirely. Integrated infotainment systems leverage Bluetooth for seamless device connectivity, handling media streaming and phone integration without relying on USB data transfer. 5G connectivity enables over-the-air updates and cloud-based services, further reducing the need for physical USB connections for software and map data. While USB-C ports remain important for compatibility, Enhanced designs in current Tesla models show significantly lower failure rates compared to earlier versions. The trend toward modular error-correcting hubs represents a maturing approach to vehicle electronics. These advancements don't directly fix existing 2018 Model 3 USB issues, but they highlight the industry's direction toward more reliable, wireless connectivity solutions. As Tesla continues software-driven improvements, physical ports may become less critical for everyday use.